Wait lang. Bibigyan ka ni mami nito, okay? Bibigyan kita nito, okay? Huwag na kulit. Bigyan ka ni mami nito, pero I need to get something outside. Okay, may giget lang si mami outside. No, stay here lang. Don't eat it muna ha. Don't eat this one, okay? Wait mo muna si mami, okay? Ha? Ha? Okay? Okay. Lalagay na kita dito, ha? Lalagay na kita ng food mo. Ito. Uy! Maglalagay na kita ng food mo dyan. Food? Food mo. Pero wait mo ko, ha?
Wait?
Pagbalik ni mami, tsaka ka lang mag-eat. You're not allowed to eat it, ha? You're not allowed to eat this muna. Wait mo muna ako, okay? Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Wait mo ako, ha? Wait for me. Okay? Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Wait lang. Tatalaw kita.
No. Mommy, come.
Really? Really? Hindi ka nag-eat? Ay! Hindi ka nag-eat? Ang galing naman ni Kuya ko. High five tayo, high five. Galing. Good job, good job.